Hey, what's up guys? And today I'll be showing you how to install this into my Civic. So the first thing you're gonna need is the most obvious thing, the actual button itself. You're gonna need a relay. I think that's the single throw, single pole relay. That's a connector for the relay that makes everything a lot easier. And I chose to go with some butt connectors. You can use the tape, soldering, heat shrink. I just chose to use this because it was just there. You're gonna need your other stuff like pliers and those general tools that you guys normally have. So let's start this project. First things first, you have to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Next, you have to find a place that you want to mount that button. I've decided to mount it right here where the cruise control button was. So I've already done some modification for it to fit. You guys can mount it anywhere else. People tend to mount it where the hazard light switch is. Some people drill a hole in the dashboard and mount it there, but you can mount it wherever you want to mount it. That's where I chose to mount mine. So next we have to remove this. It's on the tray or part of the dash right here. And there's a screw. There's one screw here. There's another one there. And then there's one on either side. There's one, not two, there's one down here. And you remove that and then you just simply pull it down and it will drop down. So you'll be looking for two connectors. Both of them are brown and they are located under the I guess the dash covering, the bottom part of the dashboard. You have to remove that part of the dashboard, and you're gonna look for two brown connectors. This one and this one. One has a white wire and a black and white wire. The other one has a white and black and a black and yellow wire. You're going to be tapping into some of these wires and cutting some of them depending on how you want to operate the button. Okay, this is the relay that we're going to use. Pin 87, this will go to the ignition wire, and I think that's this yellow and black wire here. 85, which is this bottom one right here, I think that one goes to the leftmost portion of the S2000 button. Pin, I think that's 30, yeah, that's 30. It goes to the 12 volt source. Pin 86, that's the one at the top right here. This one is connected to ground. So that's the connections for the relay itself. 87 to the ignition, 85 to the leftmost pin on the S2000 button. This is 30 goes to the 12 volt and 86 goes to ground. So apparently this starter wire had already been cut. I remember that it had a remote start in it, but I took it out. So I can just connect it right here. So I guess it wasn't recording, but I guess I'll just talk through what I've done so far. I've connected 3 of the 4 connections for the relay. I have this last one that's connected to ground. This one is connected to, I think, the starter wire. This one to ignition. This white one is connected to the first pin in the S2000 switch. Then this one's supposed to be connected to ground. This one now, the switch connector, however, has I think 5, but we only use 3. The first one connects to the relay. The second one connects to a 12 volt source, and the third one I think connects to ground. So the only thing left to connect are the grounds, and then I can probably test it to see if it works. So I just connected the ground, connected 2 grounds for the switch and the relay, so it should work now, and I just connected the battery. So let's test it out.